Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Johnny Consciousness. Today is January 6th, and I'm your host, John Moore. You can reach me at johnnyconsciousness at gmail.com. Would love to hear from you. Today, I'm not talking about spirits or anything psychic medium related, although it might be. What I'm going to show you is one of many clips, many videos that I took over the course of May of this year of aircraft. The reason I started doing that is because I was intrigued by another YouTuber called the Custodian File, who's taking video of aircraft in Southern California where he lives, and he captures what look like small bugs to me and what he thought were small bugs as well. In fact, he thought they were dragonflies when he first started capturing these things. But they seem to always be around aircraft and interested in aircraft flying around his area. And he's asserted before the drone flap that these are actually small drone UFOs or UAPs, and there's a base somewhere underwater there. Well, he's down in Southern California, and I put his information on the community board. So you'll see these insects on this video. I'll make some observations while I speculate actually, are they really insects or are they what this other gentleman is saying? Perhaps I'll send him a few clips of mine and see what he thinks. That would be interesting. I think I'll do that. But at any rate, that has nothing to do with what I'm doing now, which is I'm going to share a video clip that I took on May 1st, 2:21 p.m. And just for reference, in this case, this is I believe it's a commercial airliner of some sort. It's too high to see what it is, but there sure are a lot of interesting things that happened around it, or in between it and I. I'll let you be the judge. Now, the first clip is 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and you'll see contrails of the jet. The next thing you'll see is what looks like a black insect with wings fully extended, rapidly going through the frame. How it flies upwards with its wings out like that, it eludes me. Just as this bug, if that's what it is, crosses over the contrails, you'll see an orb begin to form in front of where the plane should be. And then please pay attention when I reverse the speed and notice at 4.21 seconds, the orb simply disappears. And from then on, I'll be narrating the following clips. So enjoy. We see the orb at the front of the aircraft and another orb crossing the sky at a high rate of speed. A insect also makes an appearance. Is it an insect though? The insect again. The orb is still in front of the jet. The strangeness here speaks for itself. Here, another strange light anomaly is seen moving rapidly and then vanishes. This is another view of the previous object. Note, it doesn't travel across the sky at all. Here, the orb in front of the airplane is morphed into two orbs, but doesn't quite complete total separation. An insect makes an appearance. Another speeding orb that seemingly morphs into an insect. Also, a dim orb appears briefly above the contrail. This orb appears just before I stop filming. Note how it appears quite solid. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the interesting video. I'll be sharing more in the days and weeks to come on that. On another note, I also hope to do a live show coming up this week and share what happened to me yesterday, uh, with a spirit that knows me from the other side and has been in semi-regular contact with me. But that's for another day. I just want to say thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me grow the channel, which I absolutely want to. And until next time, let your light shine and always try.